Hello, this is Rhonda, and I am here today to share with you something that has been heavy on my heart. And what did I decide to do? Take a pen and paper and jot it down, and I'm here to present it to you today. And I do hope that you receive it, and I do believe that something that I say will resonate deeply within you. Okay? So without further ado, let's just do this thing. Okay. Ladies, from me to you, an open letter that to rise higher, we must do better. If what we're saying and doing doesn't uplift, then let's take a stand and plead the fifth. Must we thrive on divide and dissension, or show our assets for attention? Or can we strive for unity, just plain old decency? Can we abhor shaming? Can we distaste defaming? Does our tongue need taming? What is it we're proclaiming? Do our words tear down or edify? To whom or what do they glorify? Do our faith they fortify? Do they deny, justify, or cause others to cry? Who does it benefit when I belittle you? Do I get a rush for critiquing and crushing you? Do I, without disgust, declare I'm speaking my truth? Well, our elders are watching, and so are our youth. Would our ancestors be proud of the way we behave with a smile at their child, or turn over in the grave? Would they regret the unappreciated price they paid? If we are truly free, then let's not act like slaves. While we can't rewrite history, we can control our trajectory and protect our destiny and live and leave a rich legacy. So how do we do this? Here are some tips. Protect the prose that flows from our lips. Course correct and right the ship. Reject negative narratives. Direct our stories and flip the script. Let's not meddle, let's not settle. Let's value our virtues, no back pedals. Our heads toward the skies. Let's rise to new levels and not bow or buy into the lies of the devil. No, we'll shine like the radiant stars we are. Stick to our standards and raise the bar. Clothe ourselves in modesty. Ground ourselves in morality. Give to a cause or charity and define our goals with clarity. Let's make it unanimous. No more animus. Let's be humble and magnanimous. Let's go from the insensitive and the insane. Move from the messiness and the mundane. Distance ourselves from defeat and disdain. Let's not place blame without thought of the pain that we cause. Time out. Let's pause. Do we clap back for ego or applause? Let's refrain from the profane tit for tat and attacks. Are we not bigger and better than that? We're not competition. We're our sisters' keepers. So let's go higher so that we can go deeper. Just imagine the good that we could get done if we commit to come together as one. Food for thought, ladies. I'd love to hear your comments about what I said. And until then, let's let our light shine in a positive way, right? Let's be the women who can rewrite history in our own